Hello again. We're going to be multiplying complex numbers basically through FOIL. It's pretty cool. You could use this in an electrical engineering example, except you wouldn't notate it with I, you'd notate it with J. So it doesn't, I'm sure I can figure it out. Because I represents another variable, pardon me, of course. So they use the variable J. And basically it could be an example where you're multiplying current and impedance. But that's a little too technical with jargon. If you end up taking classes above your calculus level, and you take your diffie-q and all that other good stuff, then you can learn about that. It's actually pretty fascinating if you ever want to do it. But if you just want to multiply complex numbers, you don't really have to know that. So we're going to go ahead and FOIL this. And I got 1 times 5, 1 times negative 8, and 3i times 5, and 3i times negative 8i. That's pretty much all you do. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times negative 8i is negative 8i. It would technically be a j if we were doing this and that. 3i times 5 is 15i, and 3i times negative 8i is negative 24i squared. Careful with this, because by definition I squared is negative 1. So it's actually negative 24 times negative 1. So I got 5. Let's combine these because they're like terms. Negative 8i plus 15i is positive 7i. And technically that's actually positive 20. It's not technically, it is 24 because I squared is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 24 is 24. Add up 5 and 24 together, that's 29. Plus 7i. Finito. Done. And then we're going to do some dividing of complex numbers where we have an example where there's one number in the denominator and then there's two different terms in the denominator. And the approach you take is different if that's the case. But with that said, I hope that's helpful. Have a good day.